Hey everyone, so I got a package in from Amazon UK. So let's open it up. And yay, it comes with a slip cover, and it is Terminator 2 Judgment Day. This is the brand new edition. I got this from, of course, the UK because I just wanted the Blu-ray edition. I didn't want to get the UHD edition or the 4K edition, whatever. I just wanted the Blu-ray, and it's basic. And this is the brand new digital restoration of the movie. This is probably one of my all-time favorite sci-fi action movies, and of course it stars Arnold Schwarzenegger. Came out in 1991. I remember seeing this in the theater. And probably one of the main reasons why I got it is because it includes the new documentary. It's called New T2 Reprogramming the Terminator documentary, including exclusive interviews with Arnold Schwarzenegger, James Cameron, Edward Furlong, and many more. And it's 55 minutes. You get 2 feature commentaries, 23 members of cast and crew from 1993, director James Cameron and co-author William Fisher, the making of T2 from 1993, seamless branching of the theatrical version, 137 minutes, special edition version, 154 minutes, and extended edition version, 156 minutes. You get 2 deleted scenes with audio commentary, trailers, new T2 3D trailer, T2 theatrical trailer. This time there are 2. Same make, new mission, building the perfect Arnold. I just thought it was cool that they had Arnold as the good guy, and of course Robert Patrick as the bad Terminator, which is the liquid metal Terminator. I saw this in a video, and I was like, damn, I gotta get it, especially since it comes with the slipcover. The US just had the 4K edition, but it also comes with the Blu-ray. But I want to get this because, I mean, hell, it was such a low price. I wanted to go ahead and jump on it. And plus, too, it comes in a pretty cool black case. And it's thick, like a regular size Blu-ray case. Or, regular size UK case. Let's see. Alright, so there's your front. Trying to sort of get rid of the glare, but I doubt it. And then there's your spine. And there's the back. I'll be back. But let's see. It's Region B. Feature running time 137 minutes. And I guess that's like your theatrical. I do know that 4K edition has like some color changes, and they also got rid of the stuntman's face and replaced it with Arnold's. But I think the regular Blu-ray edition is unaffected, so that's also one of the reasons why I just got the Blu-ray edition. And this Blu-ray is from Studio Canal. You just get a little flyer. And what the inside looks like. So I just thought I would share, just in case if anyone was interested in this. And plus too, I think it's cool that it comes with the slip cover. So that is my unboxing of Terminator 2 Judgment Day from Studio Canal. This is the brand new digital restoration of Terminator 2. Go. So that is pretty cool. I'm glad that I was able to get this with the slip cover. It's a really nice looking slip cover. It's got a shiny look to it, and the Terminator logo sort of sticks out, like has like a rough feel to it. So that was my unboxing. I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great one, and I'll see y'all later.